Tuna! Tuna! No, chicken. Chicken.
Okay.
Need napkin.
Napkin. Are you Indian? Chicken. Need napkin.
Chicken.
You're gonna fall again.
That was number 4?
Yeah.
I got it on the table. I got tuna.
Yeah. Pretty much. All right. You got. After this
Can
one.
you double blindfold me?
Sure.
Get some of my putty. Oh, thank you. And put it tight.
Okay. Leave that one on like that, and I'll put this one there. But you gotta stop touching your face, or they'll come loose.
You have 3 more, Ethan.
Done.
There. Ready, now I can't see nothing else.
Good.
But I can't remember where stuff is because I live here.
All right. Number 5.
Like where the room is, like right there. And the kitchen right there. I mean the living room right there.
Okay. Now, open wide.
Number 5?
Yeah.
Chicken and turkey. No, mostly turkey. It's turkey and gravy.
Turkey and gravy?
Uh-huh. It went up my nostril.
What are you looking for?
My soda.
Alright, 5 is out. You got one more after this. Number 6.
No, sit down, Ethan.
Where's my jelly thingy?
I don't know, it's underneath somewhere. Here, just
This is my jelly thingy.
You ready?
Don't pull a lot, or I'll feed you myself.
There, I took half off.
Number 3?
Yeah, number 3. Alright, open wide. Ready? Whenever you're ready, open wide.
Nah.
Ethan, come on.
I'm scared.
Don't touch your bandanas because they come loose.
Chicken and gravy.
Oh my goodness.